मी मुंबईत पत्रकार म्हणून काम करत होतो आणि हे काम करताना काही निमित्ताने माझा संबंध आदिवासी भागाशी आला आणि मग मला असं वाटलं की या भागात या लोकांबरोबर राहण्यात आपल्याला खूप आनंद मिळतो आहे। सुदैवाने मला जोडीदारही तशीच मिळाली आणि त्यामुळे आम्ही दोघंही या भागात राहायला आलो आणि लोकांबरोबर राहताना आम्ही शिकत गेलो की जगणं म्हणजे काय।
Vayam is a movement that believes in people and people reciprocate. This synergy between people and Vayam has worked amazingly. It has stopped distress migration of thousands of people. They got wages and they worked to rejuvenate their natural wealth. And now they do it on their own. Vayam has empowered Gram Sabhas. These village assemblies are making development decisions, choosing priorities, using government funds with transparency. Thousands of tribal farmers got their land rights, making their livelihood secure. For them, Vayam means freedom from fear. Hundreds of families are eating homegrown vegetables. Vayam and people have built thousands of water bodies. Planted new trees, protected forest from destruction, and are harvesting with humility. The forest in memories of elders, their rich knowledge is flowing forward to the next generation. The forest food festivals are making this knowledge transfer tasty, spicy, and joyful. Vayam is in schools, connecting learning with surroundings. Learning by doing is taking education beyond school walls and books. Vayam and people are one. There is no us and them. After all, that's the meaning of Vayam.
लोक वारंवार आपल्याला आठवण करून देऊ शकतात की चांगलं घडू शकतं, परिवर्तन होऊ शकतं, वाईट गोष्टी संपू शकतात आणि त्यामुळे आपली श्रद्धा आस्था ही टिकून राहते।